finished just in time for it to start raining. September 26th. September 26th, Monday, 2022. Just got done trimming my tree. Look at that. Trimmed that thing up. Did some landscaping. I did that because of the storm coming in. I got it finished just in time for it to start raining. So this isn't necessarily a band, but this is like the first little push of the storm heading towards us. And like maybe 20 minutes ago I came out and I said, man, it was so still. I mean, it was just like there was nothing moving anywhere. And now this gentle little shower is moving in. Of course, Ian's like that way over there, being on the other side of the house. I'm looking kind of opposite way. I'm looking to the southeast here. But that's the way it's allegedly coming, gonna spin this direction. But yeah, being the responsible homeowner, I figured I'd take down all those projectile missiles up there in my tree, getting ready to kind of, it didn't look like that big of a job, really, but I had like 5 seed pods up there, so I think that calculates out to like at least 500 pounds. A couple of them were pretty big, really heavy. And then I cut about, I don't know, 6, 8, 10 branches. Took a bunch of branches off there, and I took off a lot of the rotten bottom old leaves off of there too. So did a really crackerjack job on that. Now bamboo, hopefully that's gonna be okay with a little bit of wind, and doesn't have any branches on it yet. That's still kind of tender. Hear a little bit of thunder over in the North Fort Myers area down that way. But whew, just a little sprinkle here. Just the tip of the iceberg, so to speak. Looks like my avocado tree already started pruning itself out there. A bunch of leaves on the ground. I don't know what that's all about. Looks pretty yellow. Maybe it's drowning. It's got so much water. I don't know. And this might start raining here in a minute. Let me see if I got anything. Oh, geez, I got to go put my windows up in the truck. Got those windows up just in time. I wasn't really planning on trimming that tree, but all of a sudden I noticed all those, it's not the seeds and the berries hanging there, but those spear-like little boat thing, the sheath, those will fly and spear your windshield or your house, your window, your screens, whatever. Yeah, we got some rain now. First rain of Ian, I guess. First rain since it's been upgraded to a hurricane, put it that way, officially. Starting to get a little extra on the top there. So yeah, I was going to open my tank out there and drain it and let the whole system fill up from the very bottom with all rain. So yeah, I'd probably get out there and do that. Alright, let's not get out there and do that. Wow, things coming up pretty quick there. You can see the level coming up on the clear vinyl skirt that's around there. So she's flowing pretty good. I need to put an 1.5 or 2 inch pipe in there to be able to fill that thing in a couple minutes. Little 1 inch pipe is pretty slow. So yeah, that's a really kind of, ooh, there's a little light. Ooh, yeah. That's a little That's a really soft, saturating looking rain. The way it almost looks kind of foggy. It looks like my lens is foggy, but that's not the case. It is actually very steamy kind of rain, I guess. That's not good. That's really good fuel for the storm. This might be a pretty good hurricane. Oh my God, that means I got to get into my shed over here. And my hurricane shutter's in this back edge, and I got like drill presses and building materials and tools, scaffolding, and all sorts of plumbing fixtures and lamps and, you know, all that all that cool stuff you can't live with. Man, it really looks foggy out there. Very dense looking rain. That's weird. Pretty heavy too. Going up to the top of the church there. Ooh, coming a little harder. Oh, it didn't, alright, we've got a little in the rain gauge starting off, so we have to remember we had about half or 3/4 inch in there. Our record at this location is 5.5 inches in about 45 minutes. And that was just last August 3rd, I believe it was. And yeah, ooh, that's a little more like me. And a couple days later, I almost... Alright. Well, I can't do anything now except drink a beer, a chelada. Cheladas are awesome. Full of vitamins. Man, I mean, it looks foggy out there. I'm thinking my glasses are fogged up, but I take my glasses off, it still looks kind of hazy. Here, let me wipe off the camera. The camera lens is not... It looks that foggy. It's weird. Not super big drops of rain, but just lots of them. See, the lens is not foggy. Everything's perfectly clear in here, but out there it is. That's weird. Here, let me... Oh, there, that's a little better. Okay. Still, it looks really foggy. Woo! I could just see that out of through the trees. It was right there. That was within a 1/4 mile. Yeah, I was touching that gutter, that roof and the soffit right there when oh my God, it scared me. Yeah, I felt the voltage flow through me standing on a steel ladder up there. That was, yeah. After that, I've been a little bit afraid of the lightning. Just a little. And 2 days later, my neighbor's house got struck right next door, two houses down, and I was out in the backyard for that. It struck right over my head, and I was like, whoa! I came running in the house, and I found out that his house got hit. And I've seen trees get hit across the street. A lot of trees and everything gets hit around. Very high incident of lightning around here. In case you're not one of my normal subscribers. watchers. Wow, this is pretty good little rain here. Yeah, I'm thinking, they're saying 130 mile an hour winds, blah, blah, blah. It's when it starts coming on land, it deteriorates pretty quick. And I don't think it's going to be a Cat 3 or anything like that. They rarely hook back with that much power. And I think if it stalls over the Gulf and puts a lot of clouds out there and stirs everything up, it's going to cool it down. And that's going to, I don't think 85 degree water, I don't think that's enough in September to, now if this was July and August and it was above 85 and, but nah, I don't know. I'm not seeing it. But wow, we're going to get a lot of rain, that's for sure. That is for sure. We already got so much rain this year. July, August, and September. This on top. Whoa! That was right. Whoa! I don't know if that showed up, but that was right there. Alright, I think I finally caught one. Alright, I'm going to go inside now.